unboxing
video of this talking.
I am the biggest star in WWE.
Make
Seth Rollins. So it's if you can just look at the back. So let's get unboxing.
Okay, let's do it. Guys, subscribe to Wattle's channel
And Omar Sarsour's channel.
Omar Star's channel.
And right there.
Capital O, lowercase M, A,
And I
R.
changed my YouTube channel's name, guys.
Really? To what?
Willie Star.
Willie Star? So go check out Willie Star. WILLYSTAR.
So wow. Look
And
at
also
this.
check out my channel.
I
It's
just
O,
got this from
capital O, lowercase M-A-R, space S-A-R. Please sub and like to both of our channels. It will really help us.
Let's zoom in.
So we
here's the
unboxed
back.
it.
Here's the back of the action figure. I like a noisy thingy, and this needs batteries. Remember, but it came with
Batteries for what?
For this to talk.
Oh yeah, to
But
talk.
it came with batteries, so that's okay. Just look at it.
Those big head, bro. Long hair. So lovely.
Comment down below whose Cetrons do you like more, OJ's or mine. Here's look at OJ's. I don't have mine.
Oh, I can't open mine right now because it's all over there. But subscribe and leave a like, guys.
He has a lot of hair, guys. He's a hairy man. His
subscribe
legs
and leave
can
a like.
move.
Comment down below your epic
His
username if
butt
you play
can
Fortnite,
move.
and you are let's see, 2,000 views.
Yeah.
But you have to subscribe and leave a like.
Yeah. And comment down
Along
below.
your epic username. And your cross-platform.
Yeah. So to make it noise,
And
have
turn
like
on the notification bell. It takes about 15 seconds of your day, not too long.
so to make it talk, you have to press this belt.
Yeah, you have to press the bell in the middle.
Alright, bye guys. That's the
Bye,
end of the
guys.
video. Bye.